Hello and welcome, students. So, I, Kumar, welcome you again to this amazing platform where we ease your preparation. Now, we have started with a very important series where we are taking 50 questions, and the questions have been taken in such a way that there is a maximum chance that this kind of question will appear on your actual exam too. All right. So, today we are on the 15th day of the series, okay, and we have the 15th question. Now, this question has been taken from the concept of composite function. Now, it is a very good question. Why I'm saying it's a very good question? Because take any year's paper, okay, let it be of any year. Definitely there is a question from maximum and minimum values. मतलब ये ना फेवरेट टॉपिक है कैट का. आप कोई भी साल बोल दो कि अरे सर इस ईयर ना मैक्सिमम मिनिमम से क्वेश्चन आए थे. ठीक है, I bet that every year there are questions, and this year too it's a maximum chance that there will be this kind of questions. All right, so it is having two concepts. First of all, it is based on composite function, and then we have to get the minimum value of the resultant function. So let's see how one can solve this question. So the question says that if the value of fx is x square minus 7x, okay, so we have f of x as x square minus 7x, and we have g of x as x plus 3. Okay, so this is the expansion of f of x, and this is the expansion of g of x. Now, what we have to do, we have to get the minimum value of this function. Now, before we get the minimum value of this, first of all, let's get what will be the value of f of gx. Now, what do you mean by f of gx? जैसे आपने क्लास में पढ़ा होगा, अगर if you are taking maths, तो fog, jog, gog, ये सब आपने सब पढ़ा होगा, right? So, what do you mean by f of gx? F of gx का मतलब क्या है? That instead of x, okay, I'll be using g of x. और इन लेमन्स लैंग्वेज अगर मैं बोलूं तो कहीं भी अगर आपको x दिखे, सिंपली रिप्लेस दैट x विद gx. यानी इफ आई हैव टू गेट f of gx, सो व्हाट इट विल बी? f of gx विल बी व्हाट? इट विल बी g of x का होल स्क्वायर, ओके, g of x का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 7 टाइम्स ऑफ gx. मींस wherever x will be there, सिंपली हमें x को क्या करना है? gx से रिप्लेस कर देना है. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ gx? इट इज x plus 3. सो अल्टीमेटली विल हैव x plus 3 का होल स्क्वायर, okay, minus 7 times of x plus 3. Let's simplify it. So a plus b whole square, it will be a square plus b square, okay, plus 2ab, so it will be 6x minus 7x minus 21. Okay, simplifying it, what I'll have, okay, this will fetch us x square minus x, and I guess it is minus 12, right? Minus 12 equals to, sorry, minus 12. So this is the value of f of g of x. Now we have to get the minimum value of f of g of x minus 3x. ये तो f of g of x है, right? हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें चाहिए f of g of x minus 3x. So we have to get the minimum value of x square minus x minus 12 minus 3x. Or we can say that it will be x square minus 4x minus 12. So what will be the minimum value of it? So whenever you are asked to get the minimum value of any quadratic function, simply what we will be doing, we'll be using the completing the square method. तो ये अगर मान लो ये a square है और ये 2ab है, so what should be added so that this square gets complete? तो एक स्क्वायर टर्म में a square होता है, 2ab होता है और b square होता है. तो अगर ये 2ab है, so what can be the value of b square? The value of b square will be what? 4. So what I am doing, the equation is x square minus 4x. I am adding a 4, okay, and I am subtracting a 4 too. This I have added, so to negate this addition, I am subtracting it also, and we had minus 12. Now x square minus 4x plus 4 can be written as x minus 2 ka whole square minus 16. Now since we have to get the minimum value of it, now what will be the minimum value of this? Since it's a square function, so what can be the minimum value of the square function? The minimum value of square function will be 0. It will always be 0 or greater than 0. It will not be lesser than 0, right? A square value, जैसे अगर मान लो आपको मैंने बोला x square का minimum value क्या होगा? So the minimum value of x square will be what? It will be 0. So similarly, अगर ये term है, so what will be the minimum value of it? Because see, this is a constant part, okay? So this value will decide कि whether you'll have a minimum value or not. तो अगर ये minimum हो गया, तो definitely complete equation minimum हो जाएगा. So in order to have this its value to be minimum, so what can be the minimum value feasible? It will be 0. तो अगर ये 0 हो गया, so what will be the value of it? It will be minus 16. So minimum value of this expression will be what? It will be minus 16. ठीक है. और अगर क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता at what value of x will having a minimum value, so simply when x is equals to 2 you'll be getting the minimum value which is 16. All right, so this was days 15, question number 15. Again, I'm reiterating, if you want to crack CAT 2024, GD and PI, and if you want to enter to your, if you want to take your dream MBA college, okay, in just one attempt. So for the personalized approach, link to join is there in the description. Also, if you have any special recommendation, any chapter to be discussed, please communicate with us using the chat box. So that's all we have in today's video. So thank you for giving your precious time. So thank you everyone.